Okay, so the ask is how do we do camera animation? So let's do the simplest one. So someone asked to do around the z-axis. Is that right? So, correct? Yeah, okay. And so that gets easier. So if I say def animate around z-axis, then I would do something like, let me just remind myself what the interface is. That I guess the view normal, we were talking about look earlier, and view normal is the same as look. So I would say v equals get view 3D. And actually, I'm just going to copy this stuff over. And so I'm going to set the view normal. This is the trick. It's setting the view normal. If you're looking, you want to do focusing on the z-axis, so you're going to be spinning around in x and y. Is that right? So I think that means, you have to have this notion of up. We discussed it in the volume rendering, and I'm going to set the up to be there. All these other stuff, I'm going to change that to 1. That's a zoom factor. To 1. And then the big thing is, I'm going to say for I in range 50, v view normal equals, and then it'll be, I'll set it, make an angle equals 3.14. I'm sure in Python there's some way I could get math.pi or something, times 2, so that's 2 pi, times I divided by 49. So that would get me from 0 to 2 pi, right? 50 steps along 0 to 2 pi. And then I am going to need some sort of import math type thing. And I would set it to be math.cosine of angle, math.sine of angle, and 0. And then I would say set view 3D. So let me just take that, z-axis.py, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go here, command, and let me just make this be a command. And then I guess that defines the function I need to call the function. Animate around z-axis, animate around z-axis. Oh, math is not defined. How do you get math in the Python library? Oh, sorry, it says I need math right here. And here I had to set the view 3, I had to give it an argument. But now we're off to the races. Okay? So let me just change this. So this was the z-axis.py. So this is a simpler one where I'm just can set my view normal, and I'm just kind of setting it, essentially, if you have a focal point and you want to go around a circle, then it's just, whatever the, cosine and sine, cosine, sine for each of the angles around there. That's the trick. Grayson wanted a bigger fly around example. So let's try doing a bigger fly around example. I'm going to stop this one.